Good morning, y'all. How you guys doing today? What's up, everybody? Good morning, Jerry. Morning, Paul. Morning, the gamer. What's good? What's good, everybody? I am back from my hiatus. I'm back from my hiatus. I needed to put in the work, put in the time, put in the effort. What's up, Cody? Yeah, I needed to put in the work, put in the time, put in the effort, to get better, and that's exactly what I did. Took a little week off from streaming, making videos. Well, I guess I was still posting YouTube Shorts, but I took a week off from streaming because I wanted to get better. I wanted to hone in and focus on my craft, so that's what I did. What's up, Randy? Good morning. Um, I put in a shit ton of work this past week. I would have to say I put in at least a good like 60 hours of back testing, just going over and 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 over again. Just getting way better. Like probably in like this month span, I would have to say, like, because we trade like 2 hours a day, like maximum from like market open to 11. In total time worked in 1 month, I would have to say I made like 5 months of progress in this 1 month. Just going absolutely fucking berserk. Just going fucking berserk with the work. But I'm back, and I could say that I am better. I don't know if it's slightly, I don't know if it's a lot. I do know that I'm better, and I feel like it's necessary, very necessary, to make it to the next level. To back test, take screenshots, do whatever you have to do, and log in what works and what doesn't work. You just have to. Or are you using the update? Oh, bro, I haven't updated it, and it's been a minute since I updated, bro. I'm not even gonna lie with you, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just so used to this chart right here and so focused on just working, I just forgot about the update, bro. I haven't had time to go into it, just to be completely honest with you. I'll get to it though. I know it plots the new levels and stuff, so I'll get to it. One thing that I want to show you guys, because I've been putting in insane work, um, is that I finally reached above threshold like payout right here. I think I'm about like what is it, like 2 grand? I'm about like 2 grand over the threshold in payout. Um, bro, I'm trying to get the fuck out of this prop firm, bro. I with the shit that happened yesterday, bro. I'm done. I'm done with using prop firms, bro. I'm trying to get like a collection of like 5,000 of like payouts. I'm just prolonging it. Get that $5,000 payout, put it on my port, and I don't give a fuck what happens to this prop firm. I'll blow this shit to the ground. I don't give a shit. I want out. Uh, I'm I'm done with prop firms. I'm completely done with prop firms, but it's just proof that I'm showing you guys that I am putting in the work and putting in the fucking time. That I reached past that threshold payout. I'm $2,000 over, and I'm just prolonging that so I can get a bigger payout and scram, get the fuck out, get the fuck out. And you guys, I feel like you guys should get your payout, put it in a port because you know damn well that you will respect your port more if it was your hard-earned money that you worked on. You know damn well you'll be playing 1 micro, 2 micros max. If 3 micros is fucking pushing it, you know damn well you'll be doing that. So I mean, I get it. You got the little carrot and stick with the prop firm, over leveraging it and trying to pass trailing threshold and yada yada yada, this and that. I mean, I get it. I get the whole entire psychological aspect of it. But your job is to get the payout, put it in your port, and blow the fucking prop firm. Do whatever you want with the fucking prop firm. Your job is just to get the fucking payout, and that's pretty much it. That's my plan. I'm just trying to get the payout and get out. I'll blow this shit up. I don't care. But yeah, it's a good plan, Aaron. Definitely a good plan. So right now we're just waiting for MNQ to show its hands. We got the first 15 minutes out the way. It's 9:47. Obviously, boom boom candle, smack right back. You don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day. And if you do, you better be very, 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 very fast. Like for example, here, if you're gonna take it up there, you better have gone in, gone out, and not fucking hold anymore, or at least put your stop to break even and get stopped out. Who cares? But if you're playing market open, you just got to be in and out, in and out, in and out. So we're just waiting for MNQ to show its hand to see if it's going to break the 200. Even if it breaks the 200, I'm not going to get into a play because it's through experience and back testing of how many times they get a break of the 200. Since 200 EMA is a very big EMA, it could fake you out easily, break below it, and then come right back up. It is what it is. I rather have price action developing coming down to the 200 and then getting that way. That's if it even happens. But if we're going long, bounce off the 200, get a new trade design, and bada bim, bada boom, we go out just like that. Yeah, but we're just watching that. Let's see what MYM is doing. If it's showing that, well, obviously it's not doing nothing. Well, it is doing something. For the people who are playing pre-market, it's doing something. But for the people who are playing now, like how we are playing market open, it's not doing nothing, so we can't do shit about it. So let's look at MES. I'm just gonna stick with MNQ today, to be honest with you. MES is not doing nothing as well. Doing the same thing as the Dow Jones, just coming up. There's new trade design. We're not gonna reinvent the wheel or do anything like that. So we're just gonna stick with MNQ and just write it out. We have it breaking the 200. Yeah, sure. You have the trade design down. You have your indicators red. Passing the 200, you get that 1.5. RSI coming down, MACD coming down. That's fine. I don't knock you for taking this trade because obviously we have a trade design. Why won't you play it down? But just for my taste of trading, I like being very confirmed, and it is what it is. If it just happens to just fucking buy, well, not my problem. It already did its thing, so I can't do nothing about it. So we're just gonna wait it out and see what happens. Let me get everything ready here. The trader ready to execute a position. Yeah, this is exactly what I mean right here. I mean, it could just be a break and retest. But this is exactly what I mean that I rather let M and Q show its hand and not be hasty at all. We got like break below 200, snap right back. I've been burned so many times doing that of a break and then enter on the bottom of this candle and get knifed back up. I've been burned so many times doing that it's right. It's just fucking repetition at this point. I just It's repetition. I wait for the play to develop, wait for the play to develop, wait for the play to develop. So right here, if you would have entered the break, got at the entered at the bottom of the candle, you're fucked. You're fucked. But we got to retest to the 200 here. If it can hold its weight underneath the 200, we're gonna go ahead and execute that plan and execute that trade and hopefully get a one and done and be out of here because nobody wants to be. And I already spent so many fucking hours back testing. I'm not trying to be all day in this bitch. So we're gonna hold on a little bit. Let's see if it holds. Obviously, my exit would be around that level right there and be done with it. So we're gonna pay a little patience. Yeah. What's good, Norman? What's up, my brother? What's up, my brother? You see, we out here stunning, bro. Just patiently waiting for a play. Patiently waiting to make money. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing a little bit of wishy-washy shit, so it's gonna hold on. It's not too bad. Thesis is still down because we're below the 200. I just want extreme assurance that we're gonna go on down. I want to capture the correct trend. Just a game of patience. I mean, we're under XL. We're under the 48. We're under the 200. I mean, indicators are red, but obviously this candle is not doing what I want it to do. YM and RTY strong as fuck. Yeah, that could be the reason why the Nasdaq it's trying to come back up because we have the Russell. I mean, at the end of the day, we just trade the charts. We just trade the charts. But if we have the SPY, if we have the Russell, and if we have the Dow Jones just strong as fuck pumping up, and the Nasdaq is not following it, well, might follow it soon. But like I said, we trade the chart that's in front of us. Right now, we're still bear. So my thesis is to the downside. I can't let anything cloud my judgment at all. So regardless of what the Dow Jones, the Russell, and the SPY are doing, it doesn't matter because I'm not trading that. I'm trading the Nasdaq. Until we get candles above here and above XL and everything green, I'll change my thesis. But you have to keep it very simple. Just trade what you see and shoot your shot. And we just broke above 200 again. So price action is doing some wishy-washy shit. He obviously got caught on this level. We're gonna allow for this play to develop a little bit more. Not doing nothing. Let's see. What is it doing? Not too bad. We're still steadily progressing down. Not too bad. We're still very, very red. And I'm gonna put my stop. Bear with me a second. I'm gonna put my stop further down, and I'm gonna put my risk around Titan XL. Put my risk right about here, right there, and we're gonna try to target um the level down there. Close enough, right? A little bit more. I I know the Nasdaq moves really, really fast, so you got to be quick with it. Okay, so we have our trade design right there. So we're gonna try to target this level, and we have our risk at Titan XL, and we're just gonna let this play to develop. We're trading what the chart says. Everything is red coming on down, so we're good so far. All we have to do is just manage our risk. What's up, E? We're in this trade right now. All we gotta do is manage our risk, and my number one job is to be green. That is my job, to be green. So we have price action developing, vomiting down. I am gonna move my risk down. Let's push it down even further. We're gonna trail it here. Not too bad. Price action is just vomiting right now. I just needed to come down to a level. If it can get closer, I will make it free. I do know that I need to give the Nasdaq some breathing room. I have to because that shit just moves fast. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'll take it all day. What I make? Like 150 or some shit like that. I'm taking that bitch, bro. I'm way over. Um, what I want to earn in a day. You know, my goal is to make like 50 bucks. On this, I'm 3 times over. I'm gonna take that shit, bro. My fucking limit order was right here. You know, I would come down here, close enough, bro. I'm taking that bitch. Fuck that shit. All day. I'm taking that bitch. That's how do you think I've been able to fucking compound my Apex account? Just going in, just fucking taking it. And if it comes and smashes down to my down to the this level right here and hits my limit order, oh well. But I already made 3 times what I wanna make in a day. I mean, I'm trying to make 50 bucks on a day. I mean like 150, so I'm good. I mean, um no harm done, right? No harm done. I played it correctly. I played it correctly though. I waited for price action to show its hand. I wanted it to show its hand. We got break of the 200. Then, as I always say, because muscle memory, I've gotten burned a lot. This is where experience and time in the charts come in. You get a break of the 200. A lot of times, price action is going to come and rubber band right back. Rubber band right back. A lot of times it's going to do that. Doesn't happen all the time, but it does do that. So, in order to be over confirmed, I rather be over confirmed than under confirmed. I would watch the next candle, see what if it does. The EMA's rejected it, came back down to the 200. I see it vomiting down. Everything is still red. We're going in. I'm attacking that bitch. And especially because I just started playing MMQ like 2 weeks ago. So I've been navigating on how it moves. You're gonna need to give it some breathing room because it is gonna do a big ass whiplash. So that's why I put my stop right here at XL, you know, which is more than enough risk because, you know, once price action crosses XL, you know, you're bullish or bearish. So I'll keep my risk at XL right there and just go ahead and do that. But not too shabby, right? You know, good thing I took the position here My limit's all the way down here. We got price action just stalling in one area. I'm just gonna take it. I'm close enough, right? I'm close enough. And then to finally smack down hit my limit. Good. That's totally fine. So MNQ, we're done with that. There's nothing left to trade on MNQ. We're done with that. Let's take a look at what the Dow Jones is doing. Still exploding, popping up. Can't do shit with it. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. Still popping up, exploding. Can't do shit with it. Let's look at MES. This is pretty weird. Okay, we got MES. Okay, now MES is not doing shit. Okay, I was about to say if the fucking SPY, Russell, and the Dow are just exploding, and the Nasdaq is vomiting, what the fuck is happening to the tech sector? Wait, is there earnings for like a major tech company today? That's the only reason why I would think that the Nasdaq is just vomiting because of a tech play. So the only other trade design here for MES is to come and break the 200, but that's gonna take a little while. It's gonna take a little while unless it bounces back up above XL. But I don't like it because we already have RSI just nosediving. We have MACD doing its cross, and we're coming down below. So, and we have the EMAs just curling and pointing down. So a play back up to the upside, possible, but death more probable. Um, let's see what MES shows its hand, and I'm only gonna play one micro with it. I'm not gonna play the same thing, the same size. Um, I'm just not. I'm just not playing the same size. Um, because I already made my money with the Nasdaq. I already made my money with the Nasdaq. So let's see here. I don't have to risk as much if I wanted to do another trade. I don't really have to do much. I mean, I could just play one micro and I'll be good. And if I get a loss, it'll be a small loss. It won't affect the P&L that I have that I did in the day. So so I switched my position from 3 to 1. So my first trade, my first trades are always going to be heavy, especially since I have a big winner. I'm not going to give that shit back. I'll play one micro in this bitch, and we'll be all right. We'll be all right. Give me a second here. Um, yeah. So what's up, guys? What's anything new? Have you I know we haven't talked. I know we haven't talked in a week. I think it feels like it's been longer, dude. I've only been gone for a week. Because I was just so focused on putting in work. Because I am streaming, bro. I am streaming, and I am technically representing 1348. So, in confidence of that, I want to develop myself as a trader to showcase how we trade. So that's exactly what I decided to do. So if I put in so much work this past week, it feels like it's been more than a fucking week. It feels like it's been fucking 2 months. NQ died. Good morning, Rob. What's up, Rob? Yeah, I think yeah, we already caught the Nasdaq drop. Yeah, it died even further. Yeah, we already caught the death candle down to here. So I'm good with that. Now let's see if the SPY follows the Nasdaq because now the Nasdaq is vomiting. So what's up with you guys? Have you guys traded anything today? Um, how was your past week? Any plays that you did today? Did you play any pre-market? What are you trading? How are you guys doing? Don't let me be the only person talking. Hello, guys. I know you're watching me. I know you're watching me. Somebody say something, dude. Moto, where is Moto? And where is Mauto? I haven't heard from fucking Mauto in a while, bro. Was I in the NQ trade you took, but damn, could have been one and done. Yeah. Ugh. I know how you feel, E. That's fucking frustrating, bro. I fucking get it, bro. I used to be in that position of having to trade with my and have a job in the way. It's fucking brutal. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yeah, yeah, I'm always on one of these. Knight Top Step versus Apex. I don't know who's better. At the end of the day, they're still prop firms. Um, they're still prop firms. I mean, I've completely changed my mind on prop firms. Prop firms are fucking predatory, bro. I want to get out of this prop firm, bro. Unfortunately, I'm way too invested into Apex, so I'm just trying to get my payout and be out. Which would you go if you had to pick one? Well, besides self-funding. I mean, to be honest, I don't know anything about Top Step. I only know about Apex. And I think Apex has the most payouts out of every prop firm. Quote me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right that Apex has the most payouts out of every prop firm. So I would definitely pick Apex. Even though Top Step is a little bit more lenient on the rules, Apex is a little bit more strict, but Apex has the most payouts. Um, so I follow the money, and I'll just stick to Apex. It is more difficult, and they will deny your payout if you don't follow the rules. It's in their judgment, but I think I mean, if you just get your payout and dips, you'll be all right. Unless you have like 20 or 15 accounts and like you're playing like a micro and like you're getting like $50 per account on multiple accounts, I don't think you would have no issues getting payouts because they're very small, but the small gains spread out through multiple accounts would equal a lot. So I don't think there will be too much trouble with that with the payouts. But when you're doing like bigger moves, like on one account, two accounts, it's different. I remember when you were sending videos from your car. That's hardcore, bro. I remember that shit too, bro. Thank God, bro. I'm so thankful that I was recording videos in my car, which was pretty hardcore, bro. I would leave my job. I mean, I was just in the parking garage. I was doing building maintenance, so I can move around freely. But if I get a service call, I'm fucked. And there's been times that I did service calls. While I was trading, and then I had to hold on to the service call because I'm in a position. I'm like, fuck, I gotta go. Let this play out fast. But I mean, it worked out. It worked out. So I'm glad I have those videos to look back on, like to show, like, yo, you can fucking do this shit anywhere, bro, anywhere. But it's much better to trade at the comfort of your home. It's so much better to trade at the comfort of your home. Um, okay, so we have MES dying. Wait, before I say anything about MES, let me look. What are the other ones doing? Are they still okay? It's momentum is losing on that. Momentum is losing on that. Did the Nasdaq finish dying? No, it's still dying. It's still dying. Okay. All right. Usually what the Nasdaq does, the SPY follows. Way slower though. Definitely humble beginnings, E. Humble beginnings. If I ever make it into a fucking Pico influencer trader on YouTube, I ain't there is nothing nobody can fucking tell me. Oh, you talking shit? Bitch, look back at my fucking videos of me trading in my car. Authenticity is my fucking middle name. What's up, Fat Mac? Haven't seen you in a while, bro. Haven't spoke to you in a while. What's up, bro? RTY? What about RTYE? What about RTY? Yeah, it's dying down. I mean, there's nothing to trade here though. The only thing that you would ever trade here is like if it, yeah, if it the EMAs catch it and it bounces. That's the only thing. But other than that, nothing. Probably the only possible play, quote unquote, possible play is this downside move on the SPY. But obviously, you need price action to develop and do its thing. We do have a trade design down, but just because we have a trade design down doesn't mean we trade blindly. Yes, we trust the system. Um, it's all fine and dandy, but with great power comes great responsibility, meaning that you have to common sense trade at the same time. Chilling back to the grind, homie. Of course, bro. Back to the grind. We never left this grind, bro. We never left this grind. So in order for this downside move to be valid, not we, me, I, because I'm trading my port, you're trading your port. I want price action to break the 200, hold the 200, EMA is coming down, all of this staying red, going further deeper in the red. Then I would execute a position to the short side. But I have to be mindful that there is a level right there, and I have to watch it to see if it's respecting it or not. So there's multiple factors you have to put in just to trade. Predictive level super chin and 200 MES. Oh yeah, let me see. What is ba, 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 ba. Oh, super chin is on the other one. Well, I'll take your word for it, the gamer. What's up, Mark? How you doing? If you're just coming in, I already made my money on the Nasdaq. Just to be fully candid and aware, if you're looking for me to trade, I already did my trade like about 10 minutes ago. I already made my money on the Nasdaq, and now I'm seeing if I can double dip the chips with one micro on MES. So we'll see. But yeah, there's a lot of things under MES here that you have to be wary of. There's a lot of things. Uh, it is breaking down though. Um, Thank you, Mark. Thank you. I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into trading this shit. So just to highlight where we are on the chart, on my other chart here, I did analysis last night. So blah, blah. So if we go right here, let me see. I'm just showing this as like a reference point. Um, because I was doing my own analysis last night to prepare for today. Just so you guys can see, let's go to the 1 hour. That right here, this area, of course, we've already reached it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth attempt to try and break this level right here. I found this last night. This level right here last night. And obviously, we're looking at the reaction to it right here. If you go on the 5-minute, you go on the 5-minute. You see that, right? You got price sensitivity to this level. Doesn't mean anything though. We're still above the 200. We're breaking down, but this is just a point of reference to see of where we are on the chart and why price action is doing what it's doing. I like to see the reference points of what's happening on the chart so I can get a bigger picture. Right now we're touching the 200. Let me see here. Did I plot anything else? I don't think so. I think I just plotted that resistance level right there. So there, we do have to find support somewhere. We can use the predictive levels as support, or we can use pre-market low for support. But it's good to have reference points on the chart to see, where you execute a trade and where you can have possible targets, etc., etc. It's just good trading and good DD. That's what it is, right? DD, BD. That's a trading term, but I forgot what it's called. Do your own diligence. There you go. Do your own diligence. Good DD. So, I trust the predictive levels. I use them as reference for areas where price action has sensitivity, but I also like using my own eyes, and I disable the indicators and see if I can plot levels or find levels myself that pop out like crazy. If you see somewhere on the chart where price action is obviously reacting, you have to respect that. You have to respect that. You have to. Like here, oh, my voice cracked. Here, obviously, no, obviously, look at that major wipe down. Major sensitivity here. Here, major wipe down. Major sensitivity. Here, major wipe down. Major sensitivity. We're coming in to try to break it again. So it's good to have all this plotted. All right, let's go back to our handy dandy 5-minute. So yeah, this right here, obviously, this held. Just making like very obvious things. Like price came here, held, came down, came up, came down again, still held, bouncing, and then it retested that level and it's getting smacked back down. So, obviously we have 3 areas of price action respecting the level. You can, I like highlighting like a big block so I can see it better, but I think we can all agree that this predictive level right here doesn't have to, but it could be respected if we ever do break below the 200 and if we do break below this level. So it's all putting multiple factors in your favor. It's all reference points, but it looks like the 200 held. So let's see if we can come back and try to break it a 7th time, because we already counted 6 instances where price action has tried to break above here and it couldn't. So let's see if it do it again on the 7th try. I like if we broke above Titan and gave a new trade design up. Absolutely. That's what I would like too. New trade design up plus our bullish factors, which are our indicators, which are the MACD and the RSI. If those can flip the green, then that would be amazing. But for now, we still have RSI below 50. And when it's below 50, that's a very good indication that we're still selling off to the downside. So just because, that's why using RSI is a very great guidance, but it's also very tricky because you have RSI below its moving average and it's below 50 coming on down, but the 200 held it and price action is held it, bounced off of price action, is coming back up. So double-edged sword, but it's a very good reference point. But if, these can switch back to green, and the candles, of course, switch back to green, then we already know we're going. And we just have this right here, for reference point. Doesn't necessarily mean that if I go long, I'm exiting right there. No, I'm not. I just have it here for guidance. And if I see price action doing some wishy-washy shit, then I would be like, okay, maybe I should exit or move my risk up a little bit more to tighten it up a bit. Yes, I do like regular RSI better than spear strength because spear strength is intended to smooth out the RSI. It's very beginner friendly. For new people trading 1348, spear strength is very beginner friendly. That smooths it out, and because you wouldn't know what the RSI does, what the moving average is on the RSI, what this is, you wouldn't know that. But if you have a green indication or a red indication, you can be like, oh, okay, RSI is red, so that means that we're bearish. Oh, RSI spear strength is green, oh, so that means we're bullish. It's easier to work with, but I mean, I'm more experienced. I know how to use this RSI, quote unquote, because I'm more experienced. I'm still a noob. I mean, I just made 3 years trading last week. Like my anniversary for trading was last week. I think it was like I don't know, like the 12th or something or 13th or something like that. But I do know um that I made 3 years of trading last week, which is a tremendous accomplishment. Not that many people even get to 3 years. They get to like majority of people get to fucking like 5, 6 months. Oh, this shit's not working. I'm gonna stop. But the psychopaths like us, I mean, we got 30 people here, including me. We're part of the psychopathic percentage of traders and people that decided not to quit and keep this going. It's all a small snowbound compound interest. Um, as traders, we prolong gratification. We already know that the gratification is on the other side, but that side is very, 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 very far away. But we get there with small strides. Of course, 1348 absolutely works. You just saw me make money using 1348. It works. Um, you just have to get out of your way. Majority of it is all psychology and a bit of common sense, but you have a system in place to help you guide you to do those decisions. Um, you just have to have some common sense trading. For example, right here. Yeah, sure, we do teach that, you know, on trade designs on entry, you take the design. But you have the 200 EMA right there. So common sense tells you to not take the trade. You wait for the break of the 200 and you can choose to enter that trade because you do have to take your shot in trading. One thing about trading is you cannot be hesitant. You have to execute immediately. Immediately, immediately, immediately. You can't stop. Congrats on 3 years. Hell yeah, bro. And many more years to come, hopefully, God willing. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. So, yeah, I mean, if I were to give advice to beginner traders, you do struggle with hesitating. Yeah, bro, you can't hesitate, bro. You can't. You have to be quick. I mean, especially if you're trading a faster instrument like MNQ or the Dow Jones YM or MYM. They move fast, fast. They're not fucking waiting for you. I mean, you can be more hesitant trading like the Dow Jones or the S&P 500 MES because price action moves way slower, so you can analyze it better and take your position and be okay with it. But if you're hesitant on it, bro, don't even trade fucking MNQ, bro. At all. At all. That shit just moves fast, bro. And it'll wipe you out. Or it'll leave you in a train station if you don't. That's why I waited when I entered my position, I waited to see what price action is doing. And once I saw it go in my favor, I'm attacking. I'm taking that fucking shot all day. All day. Yeah, but we have the spy not doing shit at all. What's MNQ? It's consolidating right here. Slow down. What's the Dow Jones doing? Is it finally selling off? It's consolidating up here. Most likely Dow Jones, it's not consolidating. It's still popping off. That shit's still popping off. So that train was already left. And the only way you can get into this train if you're in pre-market or you fucking have balls of steel and took market open. But that train has left. So only thing left to trade is, I mean, MES, because everything else has made it move unless you trade something else. But I mean, I trade the four Infinity Stones, which are the indexes: Nasdaq, SPY, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. The four Infinity Stones. That's what I call them. So we're gonna wait and see here. We're gonna give it like 3 more minutes to watch that the SPY play its hand. Is it gonna hold the 200 and break above again? I don't know yet. We're just gonna have to wait and see. We got a level right here. It has to break that level. It has to bounce above the EMAs, and we need price actions to turn green again for major confluence. But we're getting a big boom boom candle up. So that's good signs that the 200 is definitely holding, and we have RSI encroaching its moving average coming on up. So it's only a matter of time before it comes back up again. But that can change at the flip of a dime. It can always change at the flip of a dime, and you have to be ready. But so far, 200 held multiple times, RSI coming up, and we have the MACD printing pink. So it's losing momentum to the downside. So we just have to wait for everything to confluence again, then we attack. Then we attack. Who else is still waiting? Are you guys waiting for MES? Or or are you already done for the day? You're waiting on ES? Yeah. That's uh that's the only play left, to be honest with you. Everything else already left, and the only thing that's getting primed and ready is the spy. Hoping he will go back to 57.30. Uh, hoping it will go back to 57.30. Why up there? That's pretty far. That's fucking god damn. Dude, that's like a 30-point move on the spy, dude. Why you wanted to go back up there? That's a huge move. CL, but it's counter trend. E. Don't do it, E. Don't do it. I mean, if you want to do it, but I already gave you my opinions on it, dude. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I mean, yeah, sure, sometimes it is good. I mean, the only way I'll go counter trends is if like we have like a lot of like expansion of the EMA, so we have some good runway, but that's like a double-edged sword because the more expand the moving averages are, the stronger the move. There's a lot of criteria that come in with reversals. It has to be super oversold, super overbought. A lot of factors to it. It's tempting, but fuck it, bro. You have like MES right here, like going with the trend. If you're tempted to go into CL, you might as well wait for MES right here to go do its thing. You're going with the trend over here, which will be a lot easier. We held the 200 and we're breaking XL, so it's only a matter of time before price action does its thing. 57 ticks between 48 and the 200 in CL. It's a lot. That's a lot of breathing room. Yeah, it's a lot of breathing room. Um, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I'm not. It's okay. There's like you have some runway there. Just be mindful that the MACD is weakening. It's like it's it's like coming on down, but it's up. It's weakening. But I mean, I don't know. It's it's all right. You like MES to reach the level at 57.12. Yeah, could it could go there or it couldn't. We'll see if it does. Needs to break a predicted level first. Doesn't have to. Doesn't have to break a predictive level. It'll be more confirming if it breaks predicted level, but in this instance, here with this red, in this instance, yeah, I would love it to break the predictive level, and it would be way more confirming with these being green. So I agree, but disagree with you at the same time because it doesn't have to break a predicted level. Sometimes it respects them. Sometimes it says "fuck you," I'm not gonna respect it, and they just keep on going. But in this instance, yes, I will agree with you there. 56.97, 75, 56. Yeah, I agree with you there. I hear you, bro. They respected it right there. You've been trading 1348 for 3 years? No. I started 1348 in September. Um, September of last year, and I started ramping up um, the work to figure it out in January. When I joined in September, I was passively doing it because I was doing another strategy. Um, I was doing another strategy. I was doing the 9 EMA and the 180-day EMA with RSI, with MACD, plain stocks. You could, work with that because the 9 EMA is a tighter EMA, and with Go Momentum you can ride it, but it wasn't my style. And I found 1348, and then I was doing them both, trying to see which one I can improve. This one was more my style. I stuck to my guns, perfecting it, still trying to perfect it now. But in total, September till now, that's um, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So 10 months trading 1348. And I haven't looked back since. This right here is my number one strategy, and I will die on this hill. I will die on this hill. Obviously, more time with the strategy, you get better. So I've been trading for 3 years, but I've only had 10 months experience with 1348, which is, not much. Not much. How often do I stream? Um, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I will try to do it as more often as possible. I mean, I'm telling you, this week I will. This week I am trying to stream every day. Only yesterday because Apex blocked everybody's accounts. So I'm back today. But majority of the week, the rest of the week, I probably will try to stream. Majority of the week. I'm about to have a trade set up on the 5 minute. Yep, yep. Still waiting though. Still waiting. We got price crossing XL, and we have a break above that level. 200 held. RSI finally encroached above its moving average. We have the MACD ping. MACD moves a little bit slower. RSI is more reactive. So it's just something to be mindful of. So let's see. All right, guys. Time to trade. Laser focus. Be ready. Be on your bag. Just because it's popping up and exploding doesn't fucking necessarily mean anything. Wait till the play develops and show its hands. We shall see. So again, we're trading one micro, and I don't care what happens. One micro, and I don't care what happens. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. So we got a trade design. Okay. So um what the hell? I took a position, but why isn't it showing? Okay, I know what happened. I know what happened. I fucked up. I know what happened. Yep. Okay, that's not good. See, I always fuck up. I no. Still nothing. Okay. Where the fuck is my position at? Where's my position? Hold up. Let me see something real quick. I entered a trade, by the way. All right, whatever, I guess. So I don't know what's going on, but I guess that's my trade design. You're not getting filled, dude. Something happened, bro. You're not getting filled, dude. Okay, something happened. Something just happened with Apex. So okay, I got a fill here, but something happened. And look, I'm already up significantly. Yeah, this is not good. Yeah, bro. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening in real time right now. Bro, this is happening in real time. Okay, okay, it went back on. It went back on. Okay. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Are you guys back? Damn, bro. Shit. Well, I'm in a position right now, so I think I'm good. I think I'm good. All right, so let's keep going. It got filled, but not where I wanted. Yeah, I think something happened with Trade Evade. Yes, bro, I can't believe I caught that shit in real time. Some lag happened in Trade Evade to everybody at the same time. But I got my fill. So okay, we're gonna target. We're having price sensitivity here. We're gonna try to target up here, top of this level. I don't know what happened, to be honest. Um, yeah, I don't know what happened, to be honest. So we'll see. I had a buy entry, but he filled me at 57.04 up there. Okay, the candle only moved one tick. Yeah, bro, I don't know what happened. Like there is a lag from everywhere. What's everybody saying in the market chat? Yeah, I think happened. Yeah, it's happening to people on market chat. So okay, well, we're in this play together, so we're risking it for the biscuit. Um, it is what it is. So obviously, we're having price sensitivity right there. So we're just gonna leave the trade design as is, and if we can get a fill, that'll be great. That'll be great. But exactly like I said, expect price to be sensitive to this area because this will be the seventh consecutive time that we try to touch that level and break above it. So I'm only aiming for I guess a 101 here. Nothing too crazy. We're just gonna leave the trade design as is, and that's it. We're just gonna allow the play to develop. Yada yada yada, do its thing. But for now, we're still good. We're still good. I know you guys didn't get the fill that you guys wanted. You probably got filled up here, which kind of sucks. But in my opinion, if you got filled up here, you should probably move your stop to AI trailing stop right there. And just let it be like that. To mitigate your risk because of the fuckery that happened. The fuckery that happened. So we're gonna allow the play to develop, see, let it do its thing. We're still bullish, we're still good. Obviously, for the seventh attempt, the first candle will have a reaction, but that doesn't necessarily mean that that should scare you. Um, because every time price action touches an important level for the first time, obviously there's going to be a clear reaction to it. Honestly, it's a bit upsetting. I know, bro. You got the exact same feel as me? Oh shit. That's the psychology between you and me and you, E. We talk so much that we think alike. Little E as in me or as Gilmar? No, little E as in little E from our market chat and little E from here at YouTube. Okay, okay. Um, I get it, I get it. Yeah, he has the same fill as me. I missed live, just joined. Damn, you missed. Damn, bro, you missed a lot, bro. We had a fucking banger of a MNQ play this morning. Like fucking an hour ago, dude. We had a fucking massive trade, and now we're just trading a micro just to see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of the juice. But since I got such a big um a big swing trade, not swing trade, but a big swing of the trade. I sized down to one micro just to squeeze just a little bit more if I can get like when I don't know, fucking you're drinking protein shake and you're trying to scoop up the last remaining powder. That's what I'm doing right here. You're back. Wow, thanks, man. Going live. Yeah, bro. I was gone because I put in a good 60 hours of back testing last week. Because I wanted to get better for you guys. Because I was sitting there thinking to myself like, dude, I can't be streaming and losing. I mean, the point of trading is to be the best loser possible. That's the whole point of trading. But, I just wanted to be a better trader. So I put in a shit ton of work just so I can come back on stream and trade better for you guys. Yeah, let's get this level. Come on, baby. Of course. Of course. I still have confidence in this play. We're still very bullish. Just because we had price sensitivity to this level right here doesn't necessarily mean anything. Now, if we get, you know, two, three, four candles just hovering here, then I might be a little bit worried, like, okay, maybe I should move up my risk. But we do have MACD cross, um, bars printing green, RSI above 50, capturing momentum. So, I still have confidence in the play, and I still believe that we can it can push up further. So at this point of time, with price action developing, this is the part where I start moving up my risk. Just move it up just a bit, little by little. We appreciate you for all you do because I ain't back testing for 60 hours in a week. I'm fucking punching bag, bro. Hey, man. Um, yeah, that's pretty crazy, bro. That's pretty fucking crazy, dog. I mean, I have my life, bro. I'm very I want to win so bad, like so bad. I want to win so bad. I really, 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 really want it. So that's why I put in so many hours in the charts. I mean, it's necessary. So you develop as a trader, it's necessary. But hey, at least at least what you guys are getting, you're getting a condensed version of what I've learned. You know, these past how many hours I've done of trading. Is your back testing just market open to 12? Nah, bro, I go months. Like go months behind. Um, they go way, way back in time and back test over and 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 over. Whatever your drive, G, is a thing of beauty. Appreciate it, E. Appreciate it, E. You've been there since the beginning. Since the beginning. You're my main squeeze. So price action still developing. Of course, like I said, we're at a level right here. Of course, you're gonna see price sensitivity and a little bit of stalling happening here because we're at a level. We're at a level. So just because we're at a level doesn't mean we're gonna be like, oh my god, let me cover. Let me go ahead, get out of my position. No, it just with enough momentum we can break above it. So I mean we're fine. We're testing um um market high right here. That's one factor. And then the other factor of previously, just like I showed you guys before in the past, what was it, like a few weeks or a few days or maybe like 2 weeks, we've tested this level 6 times. This is the seventh time. Well, seventh time I count it like in a big time frame. Um, but if you count like the little individual candles, we tested it multiple times. But we're pushing again to see if we can break that. But like I said, I'm just aiming for just a little trade right here. Feel me? Get a little nut. I'll be all right. $30. Good. Good. Like during the back testing, is that the times you look at? Oh, yeah. I don't really go past 2 o'clock because that's a different market, believe it or not. Like going like during power hour, it's a different market. It moves different. Like I've seen it enough to know that it moves different. So I've only done it from 8 a.m., sometimes 7, from 8 a.m. till like cut off like 12 o'clock. So yes, you're right. Your trade is free now? Damn, me, you're choking the shit out of it, dude. I mean, I get it. It's your first trade, so I completely understand. I'm letting this one breathe because I don't really fucking care. I already made the money on NQ. But here, obviously, like I said, you're getting some price sensitivity. But I mean, it's okay. We're still bullish. We're still bullish. It's fine. We got green right here. We're good. So, let me see. I'll probably move my risk a little bit more up to this level where the 24 EMA aligns. So, what is that? 2 more ticks, right? Uh, uh, right there. Is that good enough? Let me do one more. That's good. That's fine. Maybe just follow Titan AI stop loss. Um, yeah, you can do that too. You can do that too. But we're still pretty bullish. It's all good. It's all good. No worries. Now if you were trading bigger, like a mini or something, I would have fucking cashed out. To be honest with you, I would have cashed out by now. But we're still bullish. We're still good. There's no worries. You don't gotta worry about it. We have RSI still above 50. It's still pointing up. Sharp turn is green. MACD is still heavily separated. We're good. Not too bad. So and all I'm doing, I'm trailing the 24 EMA. That's all I'm doing. Trailing the 24 EMA as my risk, and that's it. So price is coming down again. Obviously there was sensitivity to that level. when it comes to plotting levels and plotting areas of where price action has sensitivity, I'm your fucking boy. I'm your fucking boy. I'm that. If it's one thing I'm very good at, it's finding levels, key levels like that where price action has sensitivity. Look at that shit, bro. Look at that. Oh, by the way, don't choke the trade. Everybody else who got a fill up here, um, don't choke it. Just let price action do its thing and develop. Trust your indicators. Just don't have a fucking ginormous stop, though. Just have a manageable stop that gives you a little bit of breathing room. But so far, we're still bullish, so there's nothing to be scared of. Unless it breaks the 24 EMA, unless it breaks the 13 coming down to 24, then okay, then I'll be scared. Got stopped at Tiny Eye. How? Price action hasn't even reached the tie-in trailing stop. Oh, it's because I'm using version 7. Ah, that's right. That's right. Right? Nah, it's not. It's not. How'd you get stopped? Oh, you have your stop at Tiny AI. Okay, I get it. Eh, that's a little bit too tight, dude, to be honest with you. Because price action is no stranger to come and touch the 13 again to see if touches the 13, holds, and continues going on up. That's why I have my stop just a little bit underneath 24. Let's give it just a little bit more breathing room. So that's why, yeah. Yeah, I haven't updated it. Yeah, bro. I'm, um, what's that word called? Fuck. What's that word called? Procrastinator. I'm, I'm a fucking procrastinator, bro. We got a new update and shit. Eh, I'll get to it this weekend. I'll get to it this weekend. Why couldn't Apex give me a fill? Because I reacted faster. As soon as I saw price action, like coming above, because I mean, this is the reason why I entered so fast because RSI went above here, clearly we're above the 13. Price action went above the above Excel. As soon as I saw that, I'm getting in that bitch. Shot, shooter, shoot. Bum, 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 bum. I was gonna say something dark, but never mind. Shooter, shoot. No, dude, I have market order. I executed the trade as soon as I saw price action bouncing coming off of the 13 and going breaking above XL. Boom, right away. Give me that shit right away. Well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Price sensitivity. Price sensitivity. Where's my price sensitivity? Price sensitivity. Hindsight should have took the CL play. I told you, man. Shoot or shoot. I did say I don't knock it. I did say that. Go back in time and listen to me when I said I don't knock it. I don't blame you. I'll take it too. I said that. Yeah, I'm gonna update my chart this weekend or something when I get to it. I'm just lazy, bro. I'll get to it when I get to it. So I'm assuming you guys got stopped out right here. I'm assuming that, right? 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 Because that's why I have my stop below the 13 because price loves to hover around the EMAs. It loves going around the averages. And since the 13 is the tighter EMA and the first EMA, it can easily come down to it, hit it, retest, confirm strength to keep going forward. Because 1348 moves in waves. Once we have that 1348 cross, price action deviates away from the EMAs. Price action here, EMAs here. You have that 1348 cross, price comes here, price action here. Then it will come down to hover back to the EMAs. It happens fucking all the time. It's like written in stone. Like 1348 is literally like a tidal wave, and it has legs up and legs down. So 1348 cross, price action goes, comes back to the EMAs, hits the EMAs, hovers around it, confirms strength. A lot of buyers and sellers use that to cover on the EMAs. They exit their positions, or they add to the positions, or they enter positions around the EMAs because it's tighter risk. And then when you see it price action bouncing off the EMAs, then you know it's confirming strength. And everything that I'm saying is happening right now. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I told you. I told you. Those fucking hours of backtesting, they work. They work. And now we're coming again to retest another time this level right here. Obviously, you got it against that stuff at break even. Good. So let's see if we can get this fill. All right, let's delete this for aesthetic purposes. Let's delete that. So we don't need that anymore. Let's widen up the screen. Let that bitch ride. Let that bitch ride. So now we got price action way above the EMAs. Now I will move my wrist. Now it's finally time to move my wrist because it already came back to the EMAs, reconfirmed strength. Now it's time to tighten up the wrist. Time to tighten that bitch up. Time to tighten that bitch up. And we're going to trail the 24 EMA right there. That resistance at 5705 is a brick wall today. 5705. Yeah, it's a brick wall because this is the 7th time in the past like 2 weeks that price action comes and retests this level again. So that's why you're going to get this heavy resistance. So let's 5701. Let's go ahead, move my risk up even more. It's right there underneath the 13. It's right there underneath the 13. A little bit more. All right. So Price is developing. Price is developing. Have trust in your play. I already said that we're going to have price sensitivity here. We're going to keep on going. Price action developing. We're just going to leave our stop there. Who cares? So, yeah, like I said before, I don't find it strange that we come up and it come back down because it's a level of sensitivity. So if you're gonna approach that, you got to give it some breathing room. You got to give it some breathing room. So, and now we're gonna allow this play to develop. Oh, baby, I'm putting on a fucking clinic today, bro. I'm putting on a fucking clinic today, bro. I'm putting on that knowledge on you guys, bro. All of you motherfuckers in here better be putting that like button. I've dropped so many fucking dimes in this stream right now. All of my collective knowledge that I've been learning, I'm fucking putting you on game right now, bro. If y'all motherfuckers do not fucking smash that like button, you're fake. You're fake. You're not a real supporter. I'm putting in the work for you. So, let's go ahead and make the trade free. Just gonna make it free. I'm just gonna make it free right there. Look at that, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep it pushing, baby. Keep it pushing, baby. Keep it pushing, baby. Come on. Come on. Get my fill, bitch. Get my fill. Get my fill. Get my fill. Mm, mm, mm. Get my fill. Come on, bro. I'm putting on a fucking clinic right now. I'm putting on a fucking clinic right now. Come on, bro. I'm dropping fucking gems on you guys. I deserve a like. I deserve a like. You look at that shit, bro. Proof is in the pudding, baby. I told you guys I'm a come back stronger. And I delivered today. I delivered today. I over delivered today. Going with your bad self. Hell yeah. Alright, you're out. Good shit. You're out. You should be. Very good decision that you made, the gamer. Because yeah, we're still very, very, very bullish. I don't blame you if you're out because we are in an area of high sensitivity. So if you got more than you deserve, you're good. There's a fair value gap at 57.12 to 57.16. Maybe. Maybe. Look at that thing rocketing. You didn't want to be. Thanks, Rob. I didn't want to be down for the day, so I had my profit and got off. Yeah, bro. So this one thing that I was talking about, talking to little E about. Um, at the end of the day, no matter how much the play runs, our only job is to be green on the day. That's all. That's all. Just chilling. New stream. What do you mean new stream? This is the same stream, same me. Well, let me take that back. Same stream, way better than me. Because I've always said every time that I streamed, that every day I'm getting better. I took a week off streaming and got 100 times better. This will go up now? Maybe. And maybe. It might go up, it might not. We shall see, folks. Yep, green on the day and done for the day. Yeah, bro. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter the dollar amount. Like, just imagine if you're up like 20 bucks on a day and you work very hard for those 20 bucks. And then the next day you're up $30. And the next day you're up $10. And then the next day you're up $5. And then the next day you're up $40. And the next day you're up $20. Our only job is to be green, and that's it. Sure, we would love everybody would love more money, but our despite all the indicators, despite all the knowledge, despite what all the price action is doing, despite all the levels, all of that doesn't matter. What matters is if we are green for the day, no matter the P&L. $5, $10, $3, $20 doesn't matter. Because what you have to think about, um, what you have to think about is, you know, would you rather be down -50, -70, -100, or would you rather be up $5? And then say you took a trade and you're down. You took another trade and you're up $10. You're up for the day. Your job was to be green, and that's all. That's the fucking end of it. That's it. And then the next day, you do it again. And then you do it again, and then you do it again, and then you do it again. Now, if you took two trades and then you're down a lot more, think very long and hard if you want to place a third trade, um, to lose even more. Because two losers in a row, I don't know, bro. I think you should cut it. Just wait for the next day, get green, make a more informed decision, get better at trading. Then the next day, you're green again, slowly coming back up from the losses, and then eventually you're over the losses, and then you're back on route. Is this 1348 new to futures? Yes, this is 1348. We are trading futures. We trade, well, not we, me. I trade the four Infinity Stones, which are the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the Russell, and the Nasdaq. You don't know a shit about futures, so that's MNQ for us broke people, MES for us broke people, M2K for us broke people, and MYM for us broke people. Um, and I use Tradevate to connect the trading view. So hope that helps. Here in 1348, we trade futures. I mean, there's people who trade stocks and shit like that with it, and swing trade with 1348. But the majority of the people here, we all trade futures because it's a lot better. It's a lot better. Three trades a day totally definitely helps you out. Yeah, bro. If you're doing more than three trades, bro, that like you're fucking wild. You're fucking wild. I think the um let me take that back. Because yesterday I did four trades and I was fucking killing it. But the market was trending, bro. The market was trending, so don't listen to what I say. Just two, three trades, two trades preferably, two trades, and you're good. And you're good. All right, I'm out of here, folks. I put on a fucking clinic for you guys. I put on a fucking clinic for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know tomorrow's study hall, according to Gabe. I'm not gonna be part of study hall. Yeah, I mean, Apex had no trading for me yesterday either. So I couldn't trade yesterday. Well, I did trade yesterday. Not with Apex. But yeah, tomorrow's study hall. So I mean, I'm not gonna be part of it. I'm not gonna be part of it. But I'm still gonna be streaming. So just so you guys know. All right, I'm out of here. Peace out, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you learned something. I'm pretty sure you fucking did because I gave you a lot of gems. All right, guys. Deuces.